Hey there, fellow plant lovers. Imagine this: fresh herbs in winter, vibrant blooms year-round, and a head start on your spring garden. Sounds dreamy, right? That's the magic of a greenhouse. Now I know what you might be thinking. Greenhouses are expensive and complicated to build. But hold on, I'm here to tell you that creating your own little garden haven is easier and more affordable than you think. We're going to build a simple, sturdy greenhouse using readily available materials and easy-to-follow steps. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, this project is for you. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's get started on creating a space where your plant dreams can blossom. Before we dive into building, let's gather our tools and materials. This step is crucial to ensure we have everything we need right at our fingertips, making the process smooth and enjoyable. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple and budget-friendly. You don't need to break the bank to create something amazing. For the frame, we'll be using PVC pipes. They're lightweight, affordable, and easy to work with. Plus, they are durable and can withstand various weather conditions, making them perfect for our project. You'll also need some PVC connectors to join the pipes together. These connectors come in various shapes and sizes, allowing you to create a sturdy and flexible structure. A handsaw works just fine, will help you cut the pipes to the right size. Make sure your cuts are precise to ensure a perfect fit. To cover our greenhouse, we'll use heavy-duty plastic sheeting. It's inexpensive and readily available at hardware stores. This sheeting will protect your plants from the elements while allowing sunlight to nourish them. Make sure to get enough to cover your entire structure. Measure twice to avoid any shortages. To secure the plastic, we'll need some zip ties or strong clips. These will keep the sheeting in place, ensuring it doesn't blow away in the wind. And of course, don't forget a measuring tape and a marker for marking your cuts. Accurate measurements are key to a successful build. With our materials ready, we're one step closer to our very own greenhouse. Let's get started and turn these supplies into a functional and beautiful structure for our plants. Now, let's find the perfect spot for our greenhouse. Choose a location that gets plenty of sunlight throughout the day. South-facing walls are ideal for maximizing sunlight exposure. You'll also want to make sure the area is relatively level and well-drained. Avoid placing your greenhouse under trees, as falling leaves and debris can damage the structure and block sunlight. Think about the size of your greenhouse too. A smaller structure is a great starting point, and you can always expand later on. Once you've found the perfect spot, it's time to start building. Section 4. Building a sturdy frame. Let's create the backbone of our greenhouse, the frame. This is the most crucial part of the structure, as it will support everything else. Using your PVC pipes and connectors, assemble the basic structure. Make sure you have all your materials ready before you start. Think of it like building a giant rectangle box. This will be the foundation of your greenhouse. Cut the PVC pipes to the desired lengths for your greenhouse's width, length, and height. Precision is key here, so measure twice and cut once. Connect the pipes using the PVC connectors to form the rectangular base of the frame. Ensure each connection is tight and secure. Add vertical supports at regular intervals for stability. These supports will help your greenhouse withstand wind and other elements. Next, create the roof frame. This part can be a bit tricky, so take your time. You can opt for a simple slanted roof or a more traditional peaked roof. Each has its own advantages. Attach the roof frame to the base structure. Make sure it is aligned properly and securely fastened. Make sure all connections are secure. Double-check each joint to ensure there are no weak points. Your greenhouse frame is ready. It should be sturdy and well-balanced. It's amazing how quickly it comes together, isn't it? With a solid frame, you're well on your way to a functional greenhouse. Section 5. Wrapping your greenhouse. Now, let's enclose our frame and create a cozy environment for our plants. Carefully drape the heavy-duty plastic sheeting over the entire frame, making sure it extends to the ground on all sides. Use zip ties or strong clips to secure the plastic sheeting to the PVC frame. Pull the plastic taut as you secure it to prevent sagging. Trim any excess plastic, leaving a few inches at the bottom to bury or weigh down. Congratulations, your DIY greenhouse is complete. Section 6. Enjoying your garden haven. Step inside your brand new greenhouse. This is where your gardening dreams come to life, a sanctuary for both you and your plants. It's time to add some finishing touches and start planning your plant haven. Arrange your plants thoughtfully, giving each one the space it needs to thrive. Inside your greenhouse, create raised beds or shelves to maximize your growing space. This will allow you to grow a variety of plants, from vegetables to flowers, all year round. A simple watering system, like a soaker hose, will help keep your plants hydrated. Consistent watering is key to healthy plant growth, so make sure your system is reliable. Remember to ventilate your greenhouse on warm days by propping open the door or cutting a few small vents into the plastic sheeting. Proper ventilation prevents overheating and promotes air circulation. Regularly check for any tears or damage to the plastic and make repairs as needed. Keeping your greenhouse in good condition ensures a safe and stable environment for your plants. Your DIY greenhouse is a testament to your creativity and love for gardening. It's a space that reflects your hard work and dedication. It's a place where you can connect with nature, nurture your plants, and enjoy the fruits, vegetables, and flowers of your labor. Take a moment to relax and appreciate the beauty you've created. Happy growing, everyone!